Hi there, welcome to your Crowdnub account. For this demo, let's say I run a movies review website and I want to engage my audience around the Batman franchise. I want it to be an experience that includes big images, videos, maps, other novel features. Also throw in polls and the ability to take user inputs, plus gamification with points, virtual and real rewards. With Crowdnub, you can create such a rich and wholesome experience in minutes. Let's see how. This video covers the following topics. Integration with Facebook. To integrate your Crowdnub app with your Facebook page, you need to first log in as an administrator for that page. On login, all the pages you are admin for will be loaded. Select the page you want to add the app, change the name and the image for the tab as you wish, and click on the install button. That's it. This is how my app looks on my Facebook page. Campaign configuration. This is the first step in creating a new campaign. Give your campaign a name, add the age groups you want to target, restrict access to the app to select geographies, set the start and end dates, and you're done. Creating multiple choice type engagements. Creating this engagement type is simple. In the Create a New Engagement window, this engagement type is pre-selected. You can attach an image or video to this engagement. You can also add additional fields if required. These are the required steps. For most engagement types, you can also add a description, external links, and trivia that will show with the answer. Though not required, we highly recommend you use these features to bring richness and additional virality to your campaign. Here is how you do it. The content you enter into the description field will appear right behind the video or the image. Use the call to action label and URL to create a link to an external site. The more exciting the trivia you add, better the chances of your users sharing it. Creating range type engagements. Use this type of engagement if your content is around units like price, time, distance, etc. In this example, I'm going to ask my users to guess the horsepower of the Batmobile. Tolerance determines how close or far you're willing to accept the user's answer for a correct answer. Creating engagements with maps. This feature is an industry first in a platform. You can create beautiful engagements using maps on Crowdnub. Choose maps on the Create a New Engagement window and add the desired picture. You can place the correct location on the map or simply input it in the box. Then add the question. What you enter in the answer location field will show up along with the result. Don't forget to add the description and the trivia to your engagement. Creating engagements with hotspots. Hotspots is another unique feature of Crowdnub. Hotspots allow users to pick their choice on the image itself. Creating this type of engagement is easy. First, select your picture. Each click on the image will create an answer choice as a spot. The first spot is the correct answer. If you get it wrong, don't worry. Simply click on the Reset Hotspots to start over again. Then add the question and the trivia to go along with your engagement. And that's it, you're done. Designing an engagement to solicit user content. In this example, I'm asking my users to suggest a movie title for the next possible Batman movie. And how did I create this engagement? Again, very simple. Select the User Generated Content tab on the Create a New Engagement window. Select your image, input your text, and leave the Enable Image Upload on if you want to also accept images from your users. Create polls and also enable user input. In this example, I'm asking my users which other star could make for a good Batman. They could also input their choice. Soon after the user votes, the pane would flip to reveal the results. You can select this engagement type from the Multiple Choice tab. Link or upload your image. In the question type drop-down, select the UGC poll. Add your question, and in the answer choices, use this field to prompt user to input the choice. To change the sequence in which engagements appear, click on the Prioritize Engagements and drag and reorder the engagements to the sequence you desire. Applying real rewards. To create a real reward that you can give away to your user, edit any campaign and navigate until you see the screen. In this example, let's say I'm offering free movie tickets to people who get all the engagements right. This is what I would do. There is a default coupon image, but you could provide a link if you want to change that. I have 6 engagements, so I'm going to set the threshold at 600 points. My coupon expires on that date, and I'm now going to edit the coupon that users could print once they get the coupon. And I'm going to save it. Applying virtual rewards. Using Crowdnub, you could reward your users with virtual badges when they hit certain thresholds. To set your virtual rewards, go to that section and you will see that there are 2 default badges already built into the system. You could edit them to your liking. You can see here that I'm changing the title and the description. Of course, you could be more creative than that. And the first badge would have a threshold of 0, which means that a user would by default have 1 virtual badge already. You could change the image of the badge, and when you're ready, just click Save. You could see that I have created 2 more levels and badges similarly. Customizing the look and feel of your app. Your app by default will look like this. Yeah, sorry about the colors. But the good news is you can easily change that. Go to the advanced settings in your account and select the link that would show as a banner on the app. Next is a splash page logo that you could change, which is what you saw when the page loaded. You could also change the loading label to whatever you like. The fun part is here. To change the colors, turn the custom CSS on. There are 5 fields you could edit to get your desired look for your app. The colors in my Movies Always logo are dark gray and yellow, and that is what I'm achieving here. There are a few other settings that you will find useful on this page. For example, if you want to port your app from one page to other, this is where you change it. Open Graph Actions automatically bring virality without users having to manually share once they hit certain thresholds in the campaign. Generally, you'd keep this option on, but you could also easily turn it off. If you'd like to fangate your content, this is where you change the settings. You could also easily switch your virtual rewards on or off. Now let's see how my app looks after I've updated the settings. I think it looks pretty good. You can access this app from the Crowdnub fan page. We are constantly improving the product, so things may look a little different in your Crowdnub account. If you have any questions, please write to us. Enjoy your Crowdnub account.